Good morning and welcome back to Old School Studios. Today we're going to finish off primering everything that needs primering, cutting in some bedrooms, and we're going to get started with that now. Alright folks, so we are they're completely primered on these crazy windows. I'm going to hit some primer on this brown, and I'm going to hit some primer on this brown casing, and I'm going to move on to something else in the house. Alright, so up in the second floor, there's a big hole that someone knocked in the wall. Oop. So I'm going to square this hole off. And square it off. Alright, I'll be back at you when I get this hole cleared up. Alright folks, so I came through here and I put a first coat of semi-gloss white on all these door jambs, door jambs, door jambs, door jambs, door jambs. Tomorrow I'll come through, semi-gloss these windows, these baseboards in here, maybe go over these door jambs again. I could see like a little bleed through. I still got lots of semi-gloss white to do. That trim molding behind the toilet, I put the first coat on this all here. I could sand my patches and put a primer coat on them. So for today, I think we did pretty good. We got a lot of paint on the wall or on the trim moldings. And thank you for watching Old School Studios. Stay tuned for the next episode. Have a good day.